Python, the basics, episode 2. Optionally, you can first print a couple of statements to welcome the user, and then define a variable for the scoring, and the starting value should be 0. Then you need to do a user input. And so type in your first question, and then you've got to make an if-else statement to check whether it's correct, and then if it is correct, you can make the player get a point. And then, after that, you need to create the else statement for if it's wrong. Just remember to do the 2 equal signs, not 1. This is a common mistake. It's happened to me quite a few times. And then you can do a second one now, referring back to the one I already did. And this is also a good time to run your code and fix any errors. You can also make sure that it doesn't matter whether there's a capital letter or not on the answer, because that's a common mistake. So now, as you can see, my code is running. So first, it asks me the first question, then the second, and then it shows your point.